Good morning, viewers all over the world. Good morning, fellow Nigerians. I'm here specifically to speak about the issue concerning the Supreme Court of Nigeria. Many people have discussed with several diverse opinions about the Supreme Court judgment concerning the River State issue. But now, we have gotten to a point that we think it is necessary to call a spade a spade. Because the Supreme Court of Nigeria has become part of the major problem that we have in this country. They have waited on the issues of River State and finally came with a judgment that reinstates the 27 defected lawmakers of River State of House of Assembly. I'm not a lawyer, I'm not a judge, but I'm a man who have lived long enough with enough history in Nigerian politics. Today, the judgment that they have dished out there, like take it or leave it, they have not addressed the issue of defection before reinstating the defected members. I think first thing should be first. The issue of defection should be addressed so that Nigerians will know the position of the defected lawmakers. Have they defected? Tell Nigerians. Are they still members of PDP? Tell Nigerians. But if you only order the governor to reinstate them so they can put themselves together and impeach him, that means the Supreme Court is accomplice. We continue to say that the Supreme Court has the last say. They have the last say only when it favors the one who is the highest bidder. We can all remember the case of APGA between Edozie Njoku and Victor Oye. They declared Edozie Njoku as the legitimate chairman of APGA. And they even asked INEC to bring him back or face the consequences, which INEC obeyed and put back his name on their website. Only for them to revise themselves after a few months. The same Supreme Court. So they don't even know if they have the final say or not. So they will just continue saying anything they want as it suits them. Because it is not permissible to challenge whatever they say. It's high time they know that nothing lasts forever. Today they have the power. But they must be very, very sure that after this administration, another administration will come and choose the people who will be in the reign of powers. that any of them can still be called to come out and account for his still worship or her still worship during his time in office. So anybody that is doing anything you are doing today, never you naively believe that you are doing it, do it and get away with it forever. No. It doesn't work that way. We know that this generation of Nigerians are very docile. But to a point, because there is a limit to how much people can take. We can remember people who had so much power and how they used it, and later how they paid for the misuse of power. Wike has been beating the edge of the drum, but now finally he has beaten the center. And the Supreme Court is dancing it for him. So both the drummer and the dancer will one day answer for their still worship while in office. Like I said before, nothing lasts forever. If you're a strong man, a stronger man will be coming up one day. Like the saying goes that the most beautiful woman is not yet born. So there's nothing you will see and think that this is the climax. No. So whatever you are doing today, you are paying for it. Your children are paying for it. Your generations will pay for it. Since you think that the way is the highest bidder gets the right place, and the rest can go to hell. Nigerians are watching, and very soon it will no more be business as usual. If not during President Tinubu's administration, which obviously will never be, because it's the same thing. But after his administration, you don't know who is coming. And the person who will come, or the people who will come, let there not be, had I known. Because it is not going to be funny. So whatever the Supreme Court, whatever people are doing today, and believe that they are getting away with it, a word is enough for a wise. Revise yourself before had I known would knock on your door. Like I said before, a word is enough for a wise. Thank you. Just all over the world. Thank you, fellow Nigerians, for listening. God bless us.